How to create a Discord account. Just install Discord and ready to join the fun? Let me show you how to create your Discord account. It's quick and easy. Let's go. You can use the Discord app on your PC or just go to www.discord.com and click Open Discord in your browser. Don't have an account yet? Click Register or Sign up. Fill in your information like your username, your email address, a strong password, and then choose your birthday. It is required to confirm you meet the age limit. Next step is to verify that you are a human. Just follow the instruction and verify that you are a human. Once you are verified, you will land on Discord homepage. Now, Discord will send you a confirmation email. Go to your inbox, open the email, and click the verification link. Boom, you are official. Bonus tip: pick a cool profile picture and add your bio to personalize your account. You are now ready to join or create servers. And that's how you create a Discord account. Simple, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.